Hello and welcome back. Today we will see how to write our first program. As we have seen in the last session, our first program can be written by using one statement. So there are different ways of writing these. Let us take a look at each of them. Okay, I have opened a command prompt here. So let us type Python hyphen hyphen version here. I'm using Python version 3.7.4. So let us type in Python here. Okay, once you type Python, you will get this prompt, and at the prompt you type in print here. I'm trying to print welcome to Python tutorials from RajTech-Trainer. Okay, so I have used this print followed by the string within the brackets. Okay, so it is printing this value whatever is in the bracket. However, the difference between Python 2 and 3 is in 2.0 you can exclude these brackets or parentheses. So this will work in 2.0 but it won't work in 3.0. In 3.0 you need to have parentheses for a method. Okay, so this is one way of printing a string. So let us type in exit and then clear screen. So what I will do is I will also create a file here, edit hw.py. So what I will do is I will create a file called hw.py. So I'll open up a notepad and then type in print welcome to Python tutorial from Raj Tech Trainer. Okay, and I will save this as Python file. Save it as hw.py file. I will save this file under C users folder. Save, and if I do Python hw.py, then this will also print welcome to. Okay, there's O missing here. So let us save this and rerun this. So welcome to Python tutorial from RajTech-Trainer. So these are two different ways of running the same Python program. However, in this tutorial we are going to use PyCharm. I have installed this PyCharm version 2019.2.2, and once I open PyCharm you will get this window. What I will do is I will create a new project here. I will call it as Python tutorial, and I will select the environment which is Python 3.7. So you need to ensure that you have this base interpreter selected to the latest version. Okay, and create. Now this is creating a project for us now. Okay, it has created a project for us in the location which we have specified. And what I will do is I will create a new file here. Right click on this, new Python file. So I will call it as app. So I can call it with any name. So the extension is also not needed. However, select the Python file here, and it has created app.py here. So here I will type print. So you will get an IntelliSense here with PyCharm. Welcome to Python tutorials. Okay, so let us save this and hold shift control and then F10 to run this program. So you will get the output as welcome to Python tutorials here under run. Now what I will do is I will not change this app.py. Whatever the program I'm going to write, it will be under app.py. I'm not going to change this file name, and I'm going to make use of this run from this menu option. So let me change this from RajTech-Trainer. Okay, so let me re-execute this. Since it has created this configuration for us to run this particular program, I can run it by using either Shift F10 or clicking on this. So I'll click on this run button and then you will get the output here. So these are three different ways of creating the first program and running them. However, for further tutorials, we will make use of this PyCharm as IDE.